Hi, everyone. My name is Emily Lee,
And my name is Tiffany Chung.
and today we want to share ideas on enhancing public transportation accessibility for individuals with disabilities.
Public transportation is often used as the main form of transportation in the United States because it is more affordable, convenient, and easily accessible. However, it disregards that not everyone is unable to use public transportation due to lack of accessibility, but rather because they may have a disability. Therefore, the problem we are addressing is a lack of effective strategies to make public transportation accessible for individuals with disabilities. Equal access to transportation is essential. Our proposal aims to address the challenges faced by individuals with disabilities in using public transportation effectively.
To focus on our research, our question is, what are the most effective strategies for enhancing the accessibility of various modes of transportation, including light rails, buses, and subways to accommodate individuals with mobility, visual, or hearing impairments in the United States? Other questions we will be focusing on to further understand this broader question includes, what are the existing barriers that individuals with mobility impairments face when using public transportation?
Through a literature review of 3 articles, we discovered that current designs fail to accurately represent the needs of individuals with disabilities. Rather than prioritizing equity factors such as accessibility and inclusivity, transit projects rely mainly on economic considerations and urban proximity. This knowledge gap highlights the importance of prioritizing inclusive and accessible public transportation.
Moving forward, we will use two main methods for data collection. Online research, which will allow us to reach a wider range of people and participants where they can freely share their thoughts and experiences without revealing their identities. Additionally, in-depth interviews will provide us deeper insights into the challenges faced by different groups, as well as their thoughts for making transportation more accessible. The main participant groups will be studying individuals with mobility impairments, visual or hearing impairments, and individuals without disabilities. Throughout this research, we'll follow ethical practices such as informed consent.
Our research improves public transportation accessibility for individuals with mobility, visual, and hearing impairments, promoting more inclusive transportation options, promoting equity and user-centered design. Policymakers, transportation authorities, and service providers can benefit from insights into the challenges faced by people with disabilities, guiding effective policies and interventions.
Thank you.
Thank you.